How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Medicom Toy collaboration with Nike SB on the Dunk Low OG Quick Strike in the Bearbrick colorway. This pair dropped on August 25th for $100 US or $135 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is simply just black and white, and this marks the latest collaboration between Nike and Japanese toy maker Medicom Toy. Although Medicom Toy is known for many of their products including artwork, what people usually associate them with is the Bearbrick. Bearbricks are those collectible bears that you see that come in various sizes, and for that reason, the design of this shoe is inspired by Bearbricks. So if you take a closer look, the entire upper of the sneaker is constructed out of this black colored faux fur. This is made to resemble a bear's fur, and as you can see, we still have those perforations on the toe box that your Nike Dunks normally have. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, as you can see, it still has the same construction as a normal Dunk, but of course it's entirely covered in fur. On the mid panel of both sides of the sneaker, we have that Nike swoosh, and then that synthetic fur covers the entire back heel as well. Stitched onto the lateral side of the back heel, we have this embroidered Bearbrick logo. And then found on the back heel, we have this white colored synthetic fur, along with the Nike word mark embroidered through the center. For the laces, these come with an oval shaped black lace, but they do come with these metallic lace tips, which is a very nice premium finish. In addition to the black laces, they do give you a secondary pair of white laces as well, if you want to give the shoe a bit more contrast and a little bit more pop. Underneath the laces, we have your signature padded tongue, and the entire exterior side of the tongue is covered in that synthetic black fur. At the very top, instead of Nike SB branding, for this pair we have that Bearbrick logo that we saw on the lateral side of the back heel. The inside liner of this shoe is lined in this very soft white leather, and this, coupled with the metallic lace tips, gives the shoe a very elevated and premium feel. Taking a look at the insoles, these come with custom branded insoles with these graphics found throughout, and on the heel we have Nike SB and Bearbrick branding. On the flip side of the insole, of course we do have a Zoom Air unit underneath the heel for cushioning and impact protection. So the upper of these Dunk Lows sits atop this white colored midsole, which features black contrast stitching running across. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Dunk Low outsole. In this case, this is entirely done in this gray colored rubber. We have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot and Nike branding right in the center. For those wondering how these fit, so generally speaking, I'm a true size 10, and I usually go up a half size for my Dunk Low SBs. So for these guys, no exception here. I picked these up in a size 10.5 and they fit me great. So all in all, if you guys have worn Nike SB Dunks before, whatever size you normally wear for the lows, I'd stick with that size for this model. Next up, talking about the comfort on this shoe, not much needs to be said. The Nike Dunk Low SB is a pretty firm feeling shoe on foot, and because this is technically meant to be worn for skateboarding, it does give you a lot of stability and that low to the ground feel. With that said though, you're going to be sacrificing some softness, so if you're looking for a shoe that's very plush and very soft from a step and comfort perspective, then you might want to pass on this shoe. All in all though, I don't skateboard, but I still have no issues wearing this for casual use. So with all that being said, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, I think this is a very well-built shoe. The quality was pretty much on point, but from a design standpoint, I felt like it was a little bit lacking. I think that it's missing some sort of contrast somewhere in the shoe, because to me, despite the fact that they use the fur, it's a little bit too plain for me. But if you're the type of person that likes a bit more of a low-key looking sneaker, then you'll probably appreciate this pair a lot more. I just think that they could have added some more contrasting colors on the upper. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Medicom Toy SB Dunk Low Bearbrick. How do you guys feel about the lack of color on this shoe, and how do you feel about the fur on the upper? Is this something that you could pull off personally? Is this more of a display shoe, or did you guys straight up pass? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.